Hi guys, this is just a quick top-up video for the week. I want to just experiment a little bit with creating cells in a different way. I've never done the swipe technique, so I'm just going to run some white house paint as a background, and then I've got a little bit of Floetrol mixed with titanium white, and I've got three colors. They are violet, green and cerulean blue, with 3 drops of silicone. So I'm just going to try and see how this goes. So here's my background paint. It's just a cheaper card because it's just a practice session. If this works really well, I'll try it on a canvas maybe at the weekend. How fun is it for everybody being back in work and all that sort of stuff, right? Isn't it great? Real life kick is a real kick in the sack sometimes. Okay, there we go, that's done. Okay, my 3 colors are purple, blue, or violet, cerulean blue, and I think it's leaf green actually specific. I'm going to be specific about it. Okay, so I'm going to go, I don't want the purple or the violet to be the primary, the last thing you see, so I'm going to put it on first. Okay, just a bit of it. I'm going to go with the blue next. I possibly could have made that a little bit looser, but it's okay. Hopefully the blue is a bit more consistent. There we go, that's nicer. And my leaf green, which is also ready. Quite organized today, and hopefully that should give us some interesting swipes. So like I said, I've got the Floetrol ready to go, mixed with a little bit of titanium white and a little bit of water. Okay, let's give it a go. So that's going to go across the back of this, kind of like that. Just let it move around a little bit, and then I'm just going to put it down here, and I'm going to move it through the paint, just like that. And it's going to go all the way to the edge in the first instance. How this is going to work, I actually don't really know, but this is what this is about. So okay, same again. Actually, I'll do it this way. Look, I'll put a layer here. That's probably the easier way to do it, isn't it? And then just drag it across and through. Barely touching the top of the surface, as I understand, and just go. Good. Okay, wipe the spatula and go again. And try to do it in one fluid motion if I can. Okay, I'm going to hold there for a second, and I'm going to see what happens when I hit it with the heat gun. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. That's kind of coming up nice. So that's working a treat, isn't it? So then I'm going to do something fun with it and start moving it around a little bit if I can find my straw. Yeah, I'm really liking how this is going. Okay, so I'm also going to let it stretch out a little bit, move it around just a little bit, if it'll move for me, especially down this end actually. Like, okay, just that way a little bit. Back, and I think maybe I've lost some of my cells, but I'm not too worried just yet. This was an experiment. Let me just hit it with the heat gun again and see if anything else reappears or if I've lost them all. Okay, It looks like I kind of destroyed this, so let's just see what happens when I do it again. I'm just going to do it here, and we'll just run it across the painting same as I've already done. Okay, and again, the same thing. Put a little bit more onto this spatula, just a little bit, because I really want to run it here over that section and see what happens. Okay, let's go with the gun. Some really interesting things coming up there this time. Okay, where's my straw? And hold. This looks really nice. I think it looks almost like a big giant feather. So I'm just going to go over it. Okay. Oh, that looks interesting. Okay. I'm going to show you from this side, and this painting is, and the experiment is finished. I think it went really well, so here we go. The lacing is really nice, look, especially around that green, it's really pretty. And the blue, look at that, stunning. Okay, moving all through it. This is a successful experiment. Like I said, this is just, it's not on a canvas, it's on one of those card canvases essentially. It's not something you would try to save to put on a wall, at least I wouldn't, I don't think so. But that's really nice. I think it would be really cool to get the full effect on a full canvas, covering even the negative space. I don't know, give me your opinion in the comment section. Do you prefer it with negative space, or would you prefer it to be poured and spread then all over the entire canvas? It is, look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. See you soon, bye.